Here I have SONY Xperia Pro-I, and today I'm going to show you how to take a burst shot or the series of photos on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, and here you have this button where you can change mode. You can set up like burst shot low speed or burst shot high speed. So let's try to take this one. So you just hold down shutter button, and after that it will take a burst shot. And here you can review these shots. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.